Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Rosalind Dip Powder and Biutee Collection 09 Stampin' Plate. So this is the Rosalind Dip Powder and this is number D102. It is black as night. I'm so excited. I've been wanting a black dip powder. I'll be using my Kiara Sky Liquids today and I'm going to start with the bond. You can put the bond on all of the nails at one time. You don't have to do one step at a time with this part. And I just really was wanting to do a black dip powder mani, so I'm really excited to try this. And I will leave a link for this down below. I believe I got it off of Amazon. So now I'm going to go in with the base, and I'm only going to go like 3/4 of the way up the nail. I'm going to do a thin coat of that, trying to keep it out of my cuticle areas, sidewalls. Hi Woody, how you doing? And then I'm going to dip that in and tap it off. And I didn't get a real good dip. I don't know if I didn't get the bond up there or if I was going too slow, but it'll be okay. I'm showing y'all this because sometimes this is how it really happens in real life. So I'm going to dust it off with my little brush and I'm going to go back in with the base again, but I'm going to go as close to the cuticle as I can get without, you know, touching it. And I'm trying to be very careful once again. This is a very opaque powder. I mean, you might even get away with one dip if you wanted to. But you'd want to go all the way to the cuticle. So there we go, tap, tap, tap. And I do let them dry for just a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds. Before I do the brushing, and I try to be very careful. And now I'm going to add the Seal Protect, and this is what activates that glue and the powder and makes it kind of harden up and dry out. And now that that has been dry for about a minute or two, I'm going to go in with my file and I'm just smoothing it out a little bit. Nothing crazy here. I'm not going to go too crazy on the filing because, you know, I only dipped twice, so wasn't too bulky. I just wanted to smooth out any spots that needed it. Of course, this nail's a little wonky, so it's a little hard for me to tell, you know, what's what. And this one was kind of messy, but, you know, I think dark dip powders are. So I'm going to go in with my 91% alcohol on a little lint-free wipe and wipe them down, get any dust off of them. And after they're dry, I'm going to go in with the Seal Protect again. And this just helps, you know, helps that make sure it's nice and done. I am wiping that brush off on my paper towel so that I don't contaminate my bottle too bad with the color, because it is coming up onto the brush some. You know, I don't want to make too big of a mess with it. There we go. So my pinky nail was a little janky. I had to do quite a bit of filing on it. And now we're going to go in with the top coat. Now that that Seal Protect is dry, we're going to do our first coat of the top coat. And I've got stuff just all around my cuticles and stuff, so please pardon that. I don't blame the product. I'm quite messy when I play nails, so it's going to be just a mess. And here we go with our second coat of top coat, and that should do it. So I'm going to clean off that brush real good. And you can see that didn't turn out very thick at all. It looks really good. And it looks pretty smooth back by the cuticle as far as that goes. So now I'm going to stamp with the Biutee Collection 09. I've never used this plate before, so I got to remove the blue film and give it a quick wipe down with some acetone and a paper towel. I'll be stamping with Nicole Diary, and this one is City of Stars. I don't know that it's a stamping polish, I can't remember, but it's beautiful. I got my Conad stamper and my Biutee scraper out. And these duochromes look so pretty over black. And you can just have so much fun playing with them in different lighting, because they pick up purple and blue and green. I mean, it doesn't look like a whole lot, but then up in the light, oh, it's awesome. So I'm cleaning off my stamper on my lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And I'm just going to plop the rest of these out. I'm not changing designs. I'm doing the same one on all the nails. So I'm kind of rolled through it pretty quick. Just some pickups and some plop downs here. Got something on that one. Something was stuck to the stamper. And here we go with that last one. So I really enjoyed doing this one. Like I said, I'll leave a link for the dip powder down below. And I will be topping this one today with the smudge-free top coat from Bundle Monster. Oops, sorry, Maniology. See, slip-ups happen. Get used to something being one thing and then they change. And now that that's dry, I'm going to top it off with some Poshe top coat. Seal it all in and gloss it all up. So I really had fun with this one. You know, into the dip powders, I guess. I do enjoy them. I won't do them all the time. Y'all know I love my regular polish too much. Hi, Woody. Back again. So there we go. So here's that polish in motion. You can see the purple and the blue and the green, just depending on how the light hits it. I do have a swatch photo coming. I would love to hear what you think about this one, so leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.